Today we will go over the short sound of the letter A. The short sound of the letter A sounds like ah, ah. Cat is a word that uses the short A sound. Cat. Bat is another word that uses the short A sound. Bat. Stack is a word that uses the short A sound. Stack. Hat is another word that uses the short A sound. Hat. Map is another word that uses the short A sound. Map. Back also uses the short A sound. Back. Splash is another word that uses the short A sound. Splash. Apple is a word that uses the short A sound. Apple. Mash is a word that uses the short A sound. Mash. Ant is a word that uses the short A sound. Ant. Dash is also a word that uses the short sound A. Dash. Hand is another word that uses the short sound A. Hand. Those are just a few words that use the short A sound. I'm pretty sure you know some more.